Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? Have you been able to go for a walk or a bike ride? Great. Boys and girls, I want to say thank you to all my friends who have been doing the activities and send me pictures. I really appreciate. And I want to say thank you today to Marco. Marco, you've been doing such a great job, and I know that you've been listening very well to your parents and Nona at home because I can see that big smile and your beautiful work. So thumbs up and keep up the good work. Boys and girls, today we are going to be scientists. And for this activity, we are going to be needing few materials. We're going to need 7 popsicle sticks. And I noticed when I was looking for mine that I had few popsicle sticks that were not very healthy for this activity. So make sure your popsicle stick look nice and healthy and strong. You're going to need a lid from anything. So this one is from an old medicine bottle they keep, and I always keep the lids. I have elastics that have saved from vegetables like asparagus and lettuce. And you're going to need glue gun. I'm going to show you for what. And few little toys that you're going to be able to launch. So for this activity, I have 3 ping pong balls and some foil paper because we're going to make little balls. Also, I want you to create your own I wonder, I noticed chart. So for this, you're gonna write the question you may wonder, and then you can make a picture or write a simple sentence or ask somebody at home to help you of the things that you have found. So you're gonna collect your data of your experiment in your own chart. But let's begin to make our simple machine lever. Are you ready? I'm so excited. This is really cool. All right. For this activity, the first thing you're going to need, you're going to count 5 sticks. And I have 5 sticks here. And you're going to put them one on top of the other. Make sure they're all matching at the end. Then you're going to grab one of your elastics. And you're going to roll it around. Very simple. So just roll it around nice and tightly because this needs to be strong. This is going to be a very important part of our catapult. Then at the other end, you repeat the same thing. So make sure your elastic is nice and tight. Once you have this part, you're gonna put it down, and then you're gonna take 2 sticks. And for this one, you're only gonna have 1 elastic at the end. So I have 1 elastic here. And you're gonna do the same. So you're gonna go around, stretch, and go around because this needs to be strong in here. This is a very important part of our simple machine. When you have this part, you may need a little bit of help for this. You're going to open it up and you're going to put this part in the middle. So you're going to create almost like a cross. So I suggest if you can get a little bit of help, that would be great. So when you have this part, you're going to get another elastic. Make sure that these parts are equally divided. Okay, so if in case of like this, it's going to work. But then you're going to show you why we need to do first straight, because then we're going to see if the result change, if the designs of our catapult change. And you're going to cross it around. So you're going to cross and put it in. And cross again until you see this. Okay, so like a little part. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold it and pull it back and pull back your elastic. And there we go. So we have the first part of our catapult done. Next part. What I like to do, I like to mark a little line because I like to leave a little space for my finger to pull it down. So I mark a little bit just at the tip to do it. And then with help, I would like you to ask for help. You're gonna put some hot glue gun. Very careful, it's hot. And then as you see, I'm gonna glue mine right at the end. Can you see it? Great. So you're gonna wait. So still see my line. I'm gonna wait. This hot glue is very, very hot. So I'm gonna wait there. So I have my catapult. So next step, I have my balls. I don't need to do anything. However, if you can, I have some hot glue here. if you can write numbers. So if you have 5 balls or 10, you can do them. And then how far they go, you can mark your point. So I'm not gonna do anything with this one right now. I'm gonna put them here. But how can I make my little foil balls? You're gonna cut a piece of paper, foil paper, and then you're gonna squish it. So I want to make different sizes. You know why? Because one of my wonder questions is if the size of my object will change the result. I'm gonna make one more, and this one is gonna be big. You can also use Play-Doh or little Legos, but we always have 3 rules. And I know my kindergartens know these rules. Away from people or pets at home. And also, you clean up after yourself. So you're not gonna be launching object and then leave for mom or dad or grandma or nonna to clean it up. So you will do that job, okay? So here we have our foam balls already made of different size. When my experiment is ready, because I'm still waiting for the hot glue gun to be nice and cold, I'm gonna be working on my I wonder question. And for this one, we're gonna do 2 questions for I wonder. The first one of my questions will be, how high will my object go? I brought my finger. 2 is gonna be how far my object will go. So I have 2 I wonder questions. How high my object will go and how far. And for the I wonder, maybe what I would like you to do is to draw a picture of your catapult. So I will try to make a quick picture, and a way to make your picture is the shape. So I'm gonna make a shape like this. And then my launch pad there, where I'm gonna launch my object. So I made my catapult picture. So are you ready? Let's go try this. So I have my 2 catapults here. One has a big launch pad and the other one has a little launch pad. So boys and girls, when you are pressing down, so I want you to look here, and when I'm pressing down, you will see that I'm using my energy. I'm pressuring down, but my body is generating energy. This energy is being stored in my catapult. When I release the energy, that energy is converted to something we're gonna call kinetic energy. Big word, but it's important for you to know because I know you're very smart. So let's go to this. Can you see it there? Great. So boys and girls, I'm gonna press down and I'm gonna store my energy and then I'm gonna release it. And then went far. So my one went like very far. So let's see what the next one. You think my next one will have the same result? Because they're a little bit different. The launch pads are smaller. Very good. One is smaller, one is bigger. So I'm gonna put my ball and you wanna come with me. So you're gonna hold one side. So I'm holding one of the end and then I'm gonna go. So let's come with me. 1, 2, 3, launch. That one went all the way there. My daughter went to get the ball. She's smiling. Next, let's go try our foam balls. So I have one big one. So what you can do, you can measure, you have daddy or mom or nonna or somebody at home to help you and get a measuring tape and see how far these things go. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Interesting. This one didn't go that far. You see how high the other one went? Let's go try again with my other catapult with the bigger launch pad. And we're gonna use a medium size. I have a little ball and then a medium size. All right. Now, I'm gonna show you something. You can change the result if you move this bar. So this one I'm gonna move it closer to my launch pad, as you can see here. And then I'm gonna move it this way. So now I move it that way, I'm holding it, and I'm gonna go. 1, 2, 3, launch. This didn't go that far. Let's go try one more time. This one is gonna be straight, and I'm gonna put a lot of pressure going down. I'm gonna store my energy and convert my energy into kinetic energy. 1, 2, 3, launch. Wow, that went super hard and much farther than the other two. So boys and girls, this is the activity today. Very simple, very fun to do. Don't forget to complete your I wonder, I noticed chart and collect your data. Scientists always keep the recorded data. You know why? Because then you can keep exploring. If you have jumbo popsicle sticks, you can do a regular one and a jumbo one and see if the result changes by the size of your catapult or the size of your object. Brave boys, I hope you have a beautiful day today. Don't forget, be kind, be respectful, and say thank you to your parents who are helping you. Bye-bye and have a beautiful day.